Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a limited edition to share with you, and it is the Lookfantastic beauty chest. This is what it looks like. Give you a quick sneak peek. Got a card there, and if you pull out the bottom, you've got more products in there. This chest was given to me as a PR sample from Lookfantastic so that I can share it with you. They have given me a code, which is BEAUTYGEEKBC. I'll pop it down below in the description so you can get it at a discounted price. Now the cost of the chest is £85. It has a value of £368. If you use my code, you are able to get it for £62.30 over this Black Friday weekend. So nearly £24 knocked off the retail price. There's 16 products inside, including a product from NEOM, and there's a variant. So you'll either receive a NEOM pillow mist or a NEOM hand balm. Both have similar value. So if you're interested in this chest for yourself, as always, you'll find the information listed down below in my description, as well as the code I just mentioned, plus any other offers Lookfantastic currently have running. You'll find it down below in my description, as well as a giveaway I've got running on Instagram at the moment. But let's get on to showing you what's inside this year's beauty chest. So we get a card, as you saw, and it's got all the products there. So I'll refer to this as we go along if I don't know what the products are. Starting off with something for your hair. This is by Grow Gorgeous. This is Balance Fibre Sealing Split End Treatment, and there's 150 mils here. Smooth and improve the appearance of split ends with this fibre sealing serum, leaving hair feeling stronger and silky soft. You're supposed to rub a small amount in between your palms of your hands, work through the mid-lengths and ends of the hair, paying close attention to the ends, and more if required. Style as usual. The bottle is lovely. Really, really nice. I do have split ends. My hair's very thin, very fine. I do have some difficulties. No, it's not difficult. It's not difficult at all. But my hair can't tolerate oils once it's dry. It doesn't matter how much I put in my hair. It's a serum, it's a cream, and you're supposed to put it in your hair. Does it say, it doesn't say wet or dry? Yeah, it doesn't say anything. It just says style as normal. So I'm assuming you put it on wet hair. Yeah, or dry once you've styled your hair maybe. Just putting it through, letting it dry. I'll have to look into that more, just to find out how I can use it properly. But yeah, it smells nice anyway on my hand. Next we've got a Nuxe. This is a multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. And how much have we got here? Oh, I can't see it. There's 30 mils there. This is the original oil. You've got different smells. You've got floral. Yeah, I love this. You're not going to be able to see it. It's just an oil. I absolutely love, my favourite of these is the shimmery one. I've got a few little mini ones, tiny little sample-y type ones, and I bring them on holiday with me. So if I'm going out at night, I might just put a load over my shoulders, on my legs, just to give it a little bit of shimmer, and it smells like this as well. It's just a really nice oil. It is really great. It says here the iconic dry oil. It's a travel size, nourishes, repairs and beautifies the face, body and hair. I wouldn't use it in my hair, but on my body, yeah, definitely. We've got Kevin Aucoin, and this is Iridescent Mascara. There. Okay. Ooh, look at the wand. It tapers. Formulated with a blend of waxes, the Iridescent Mascara features a soft, creamy texture that feels light on the lashes. Is there? Then we got Dr. Jart. This is Cicapair. It's Tiger Grass Colour Correcting Treatment. Soothes the look of red, irritated skins, and there's 5 mils here. And I've already got this. I got a full-size pot. And it took me a while to get used to it. Now I have a lot of redness on my cheeks. A lot of redness there. If I'm wearing a light to medium foundation and I've got bronze and blush and things, then it can sometimes look like I've made a mess. You can see the bronzer and the blush, but then it just looks all like blended all into a mess because of the redness underneath. I hate it. It doesn't look flawless. It doesn't look nice. Unless I'm wearing really thick, heavy foundation. It's fine then. I tried this. Put it all over my skin. Didn't like the fact that it made me look green. It colour adapts to your skin, but obviously there is a bit of green in there to counteract the redness. But yeah, I found the best way to do it is to tap it into my skin and only apply it to the areas that I need it. because it's green. And on my skin tone you could really see it, but it does work. It's quite a thick cream. See, can you see the colour changing there? So it adapts nicely to your skin tone, but I only apply it in the areas I need it, and I put the rest of my foundation on. It is a really nice product, actually. It is really good. Relieves redness and sensitivity with a colour correcting treatment, transforming from a light green tone to a natural beige. So there's that. Then we've got the NEOM product. Now, you will either receive this one, which is a pillow spray, or a hand balm. And this pillow spray is Sent to Sleep, and there's 30 mils here. I absolutely adore this brand. It's so, so lovely. Really, really nice. Oh, excuse the top of my fingernail. It's supposed to look like that. But look, the top flew off in the tumble dryer. Didn't feel much force. It just snapped off when I was pulling my clothes out with the tumble dryer. So the rest are fine. It's just this. It looks awful, but I'm having them done next week, so that'll be all right. It's a gorgeous smell. Sent to Sleep range. Yeah, it's nice. I use pillow sprays every night. So there's that. Next, we've got a product from Kate Somerville. This is Exfolikate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, and there's 15 mils there. It says apply AM or PM, use once or twice a week, apply a thin even layer to clean, wet face, massage in circular motions for 30 seconds, or leave on for up to 2 minutes. Rinse and gently pat dry. Refine your complexion in just 2 minutes with this Kate Somerville Exfolikate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. There you go. Short and sweet. So there's that. Next, we've got Iconic London. This is a lip plumping gloss, and we've got it in Feeling It. This is nice. I've already got the shade. So it's a nice nude gloss. But yeah, so I'll pass this on to a friend or family. You'll receive one of two. You'll either receive Feeling It or Love Struck. Love Struck is more pinky toned, it looks like. Create the illusion of fuller, more kissable lips with the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. So, next we've got a product from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a clear brow gel. You might not be able to see much because of the reflection of the ring light. That's the wand. Formulated with a blend of waxes. No, that is the mascara. A lightweight clear gel that sets and holds brow hair in place. There's that. Next, we've got a sheet mask. This is from AHC Natural Essential Mask Aqua Nourishing. For nourishing and hydrating, for dry and rough skin. And yeah, it's 100% natural cotton. And it's a sheet mask, basically. And it tells you on the back there how to use it. The instructions, so there's that. Then we've got a rather large Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. I haven't tried this before, so it's new for me. Skin clearing facial wash, and we've got 150 mils there. Oh, I love a clay one. Define by Nature, led by science. This non-drying clay facial wash cleanses pores, leaving the skin feeling refreshed, removing impurities and excess oils. Skin is left feeling more balanced and looking clearer for more radiant, mattified and healthier looking complexion. You can use it morning and night. Then we've got product from Grown Alchemist. Hydra-Repair Day Cream with Camellia, Geranium Blossom, and there's 65 mils there. So a Hydra-Repair Day Cream. So there's that there. I'm not going to try that on my hand because I have a lot of creams open at the minute. This Nourishing Facial Moisturiser noticeably improves skin hydration levels without leaving residual shine on the skin. That. Next, we've got a product from ESPA. This is Optimal Skin Pro-Serum, intensely nourishing, nutrient-rich serum for radiant skin. And there's 30 mils there. It says, after cleansing and toning, warm a few drops into your palms, gently smooth over your face, neck and décolletage until fully absorbed. And it just goes on to say, revitalising serum helps to replenish and strengthen skin's natural moisture barrier. Yeah, I've tried this before and it is gorgeous. I love ESPA. Such a treat. Such a treat. Then we've got a little pouch here. This contains a teeth whitening pen. Yes, by Spotlight Oral Care. It contains hydrogen peroxide, is created by dentists, and yeah, it looks like this. So you've got a little brush there, and then you twist it then to release Oh, you can see the gel go moving up there. I'm not going to do it now. This TikTok sensation teeth whitening pen is an easy to use pen for whitening on the go. If you've tried it, please let me know your thoughts. Did it work for you? How often do you apply it? Do you apply it like once or twice a day, or do you apply it as many times as you want? Is it a fake thing where it turns your teeth white? Like a covering, or it just helps diminish like stains over time? Yeah, I'd love to know. Next we got a bronzing powder by NARS. This is Laguna. It's a little mini one. Gorgeous shade. This is the shade I go for. It's buildable, it's matte, it's really nice. They also have a shimmer, Laguna shimmer. Plus, they've just come out, not just, but a couple of months ago, bronzing cream as well. Yeah, there's that. Something else for your hair is ColorWOW Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. There's 50 mils there. You apply it to your hair when it's wet, then you blow dry your hair, and it's heat activated. It's supposed to calm frizz, keep your hair in style, and protect against humidity and things like that. Unfortunately, it doesn't work on my hair. I think my hair is just too thin. It just does not work. I've tried it a few times, but I know a load of people absolutely love it. But there's that. And then lastly, we have got a product here by Dr. Levy from Switzerland. Intense Stem Cell Eye Booster Concentrate. Now it's only a little teeny tiny one, 7 mils. But when it comes to your eyes, you don't need a lot. And you need a little dot just to blend it in. This light, non-greasy, nourishing formula is designed to improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and puffiness around the eyes. And I'm sure, even though it's a small one, it has got a hefty price tag on it. I think it's worth quite a lot then, basically. I think so, from memory, from reading. So there you go. Those are all the products inside this year's Lookfantastic Beauty Chest. 16 products. It has a value of $385, I think. It sells for $85, but if you use my code BEAUTYGEEKBC, then you can get it for £62.30 over the Cyber Weekend. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? How does it compare to previous years? I'd love to know what you think, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care. Bye.